Hello, I'm Megan Thornton, and I'm going to talk a little bit about my fieldwork experience so far. So, the student I'm working with is named M. That's what I call him. He's a fourth grader with autism at an elementary school in Alameda. And I've been observing him over the course of the year. And so far, I've been implementing video modeling with him. I chose that one because I have limited time with him. I'm not his teacher. I don't work at the school, so there's limited time I have to work with him, and I thought that this would fit well with the time that I have and with the access I have to other students. I really like the peer mediated interventions, but I thought that this one, for the time I have right now, would work better. So that's what I chose. So the way that video modeling, what we did was I came in and I have been observing him. So I had been keeping track of his numbers of outbursts and such. And the way that I'm implementing it is I came in and talked to him and said we were going to work on a project together where we were going to make a video of him modeling the kind of behavior that we want to see more of. So he has a lot of verbal outbursts when he's doing his work because he wants attention from the teacher and because he wants to escape the work. So we made 3 videos. One was where he looked me in the eye as he was working, and he stopped and looked me in the eye and asked me if he could have a break while he was from his work. And so we did that one, and then we did another one where that was for the escaping the work, and then we did another one where he wanted to just talk to the teacher. Sometimes he just wants adult attention. So we did one where he was pretending to work, and he looked up and he said my name and looked me in the eye and said, can we talk about something else for a few minutes? I'd like to talk about my morning. And so we did that video, and then we did a third one about where he practices waiting. So when he asked me for something, can I have a break? I'd like to go outside. And then I said, you can, but we need to wait 5 more minutes and work for 5 more minutes. And then he said, okay. So he had a lot of fun making the videos, as did I. And then we watched them together, and then I observed him. And then I've come in 2 more times since then to look at the video. I go in and I watch the video with him, and then he goes back to working with his paraprofessional. He works individually most of the time with a paraprofessional on specific math and reading skills. And so then he goes back to that, and I observe. And in the times that I've done it, I have seen an improvement in his behavior, and it's still pretty fresh and fun and exciting. And so I'm not sure how much that is impacting it. But and the way I'm going to ensure fidelity for this is I'm going to be the one implementing it. So I don't need to train anyone else. I don't need to try to get somebody else to do it in the way that I think would be best to do it, since I'm the only one doing it. So that will be pretty easy for this specific assignment. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now with that.